Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my personal trainer business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'll introduce you all to the personal trainer business plan template, specifically the Word document, which entails the business plan template, and then the Excel file, which is the financial model. And then once we're done with that, if you're interested in purchasing the personal business plan template, the link will be right here, as well as at the end of the video. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional business plan writer, author of numerous books published on Amazon, as well as an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you do want me to write a business plan for you, if you're looking for a custom written business plan, or you're looking for somebody to do your financial projections for you, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. All right, enough about my infomercial. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the personal trainer business plan template. And again, here is the Word document. And once you open it up, you're going to be greeted with the title page. On the title page, you can go ahead and get rid of this writing right here, put your logo, and just leave the writing business plan. The second page is just your table of contents. Once you update the business plan, add your information to it. Click on the table of contents, click up Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and then all your headers and all of your page numbers will update accordingly. The next page is your executive summary. In the executive summary, I give you a real good summary starting point for your personal trainer summary, your target market, your financial highlights, as well as the funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started or to expand your business? Next section is going to be the company description. Now we're really getting into the meat and potatoes of the business plan template. And in this section, you're going to have a personal trainer summary section, services offered, competitive advantages, primary target market segment, pricing strategy section, hours of operation section, location section and description. And then this section winds up or ends with a business objectives and timeline segment. And this just allows you to tell a reader where you think you're going to be in 3 months and 6 months and a year. The next section is your industry analysis. I do research for the personal trainer industry. I get my information from IBIS World. IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research, in my most humble opinions. So I'll go ahead and access the report and then summarize their information, their important statistics, and put it in the template. And here is where I give credit to IBIS World. Next is going to be the SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. All you have to do for this is just to click on the words and you can update that information. Organizational structure just gives you an opportunity to tell the reader about the ownership of the business as well as the organizational chart. The next section is your marketing section, and I do give you a starting point for 3 marketing channels, which is your traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. The next segment is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started, and important details in relations to funding your business. And then finally, we have our financial projections. The first segment here is going to be your profit and loss statement. I do give you a profit and loss statement, and it's broken up monthly for the first year as well as quarterly. Month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, we have our pro forma income statement, which is, again, a summary of your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits for the next 5 years, broken up annually. In order to update any of these financial statements, you do need to go to the Excel file, which is the financial model, and that is this right here. And on this financial model, you do have 4 tabs, which is going to be your information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement. And anywhere in the darker color cells, this is where you're going to put your information. And your information will go anywhere in these darker color cells. And as you update your information here, your profit and loss statement will update as well as your income statement. This will continuously update. Once you're done filling out your information on this tab, then you just go to your income statement or whatever financial statement you need, copy it, and paste it into the Word document. Some of the sections that you can update in the financial model is going to be your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost information, your monthly fixed cost, your tax rate, your growth rates, and then your loan information. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my personal trainer business plan template, the link is right here to do so. It does come with the Word document, which I just showed y'all. It also comes with the Excel file, which is the financial model. And also, I do provide y'all with free tutorials, and so you can go to the business plan writing tutorials at this link right here. Just keep in mind that you do need Microsoft Word and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And also, if y'all have any questions about the template before you buy it, here's my contact information. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation as to what's included in the template. However, after you purchase the template, I do not offer free phone support. Love to help you fill out the template, but I do charge for that service. All right, so like I said, if you're interested in buying the template, the link's right here. And if you don't want to mess with your templates and you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want a professional business plan writer to write a custom business plan for you, I do have prices and packages right here for my services. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money. Have a great day.